Welcome to Garden Chat, and we are here with Tracy Cook, and she's the brains and the energy behind the Native Plants Teaching Garden. It has the most spectacular information that we've ever given out in our horticulture department, and it's all with a link. So, Tracy, you want to tell us a little bit about the information that we've set up to connect with this Native Plants Teaching Garden and what it is?
Sure. So the Native Plants Teaching Garden was the product of a gift from the Stanley Smith Horticultural Trust, and there are two parts. One is, of course, the garden itself, which can be found at the north end of the green parking lot. That's its physical location, but you can explore it virtually by using our application that we have produced, and it's available either by using the QR code on the sign. There's another sign just like this out there, or we're preparing a URL. It should be live by the time this video goes up on our website under Our Gardens. It's going to be a highlight on the Native Plants Teaching Garden, and you'll have a URL that you can click on to access the app. Nikki, would you like to demo the app a little bit?
I've got my app up right here, and I've got it in flowering perennials and forbs, and you can see there's locations actually on the map, and I can pick a plant by location, or I can just tap on the liatris here, and I can actually scroll through information on liatris if I want to know more about that. Even, height, width. We've got grasses listed. How many plants do you think we've got listed in here altogether?
About 60, and more will be coming as we get our back-ordered stuff in and get it in the ground. We are also hyperlinking to related sites, so if you see a butterfly or bird or bee that is mentioned in the application, there will be a hyperlink leading to more information, and that will develop over time. So if you don't see what you're looking for the first time, check back in a week.
So, and this garden is in the parking garden, which is a free area for anybody. What I love about this is it's about native plants, and we really feel like that, if you don't know anything about gardening, native plants is your way to go. These plants are used to our conditions. We're seeing a lot more, like you said, activity with pollinators. That's what they're used to having here. So if you're thinking about adding any plants to your garden, come out and check out the Native Plants Teaching Garden, and you may find something spectacular in there that you'd like to add to your garden. Tracy, thank you so much for the work that you've done on this, and the team. I know we've had a whole team working on this.
Absolutely. The app was definitely a team effort.
So thanks for joining us for Garden Chat, and I hope you get a chance to check it out.